Love in the Name of Christ of Boone County is one of 115 affiliates in the United States and Africa, and we exist to mobilize the church. Our mission is to transform lives and communities in the name of Christ. Our local Love Inc. gets to offer churches the opportunity to respond to the unique needs of this community, the community in which they live. Love Inc.'s Family Apartment Shelter Program began in January of 2022. Our county does not have any homeless shelters, so we were thrilled to offer temporary housing to those in need. The shelter program includes the opportunity for our participants to assess their own self-sufficiency, set their own goals, receive a case manager, and a volunteer mentor to walk beside them for up to a year. Children of those in the apartment shelters receive enrichment activities at the same time as their parents take classes that help them recognize their unique value and potential in God's eyes.
Our ultimate goal is to launch these families into independence by comprehensive case management and mentoring, emotional support, and Christ's love.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi. And the teachers teach us how to be like you. They just teach us how to treat others the way we want to be treated. And we love you. Because you treat us and we want to be good